In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install extensions in Cursor AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find extensions, how to install them quickly, and how to confirm they're active so you can enhance your coding workflow right away. First, open Cursor. Give it a second to start up so everything loads properly. Extensions are small add-ons that give Cursor extra features like language support, linters, and tools that make coding smoother. Installing them only takes a moment. Next, open the Extensions panel. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl, Shift, and X together. That keyboard shortcut jumps straight to the Extensions view. If shortcuts aren't your thing or your layout looks different, you can also click the Extensions icon in the sidebar. Either way, you'll land on the same page with a search bar and a list of recommendations. Now, use the search box to find what you need. Start typing the name of the extension or the language you want. For example, type Python. You should see a list of Python-related extensions appear. Look for the main Python extension that provides language features like IntelliSense, linting, and formatting. Before installing, you can click into the extensions page to read the description, check ratings, see how many installs it has, and review any notes from the publisher. This is a great habit to make sure you're getting the right tool. When you're ready, click Install. Cursor will download and set it up automatically. You'll usually see a brief progress indicator. If the editor asks you to reload to finish activation, go ahead and confirm. That just makes sure everything is wired up correctly. Most of the time, it's seamless and only takes a few seconds. Once installation completes, the Install button will change to options like Uninstall or Disable, which is your sign that the extension is now active. If you're working on a relevant file, like a .py file for Python, you should notice features like syntax highlighting, suggestions, and other language tools kicking in. If you don't see changes immediately, try opening a file that matches the extension's purpose, or check the extension's details page for any quick start notes. That's all there is to it. Open Cursor, open the Extensions panel, with Ctrl, Shift, and X, search for your extension, and click Install. With your extension now active, you're ready to code with more power and convenience. Thanks for watching and enjoy customizing your Cursor setup.